Welcome everyone to today's 10-minute yoga practice. Today we have a class for the hips, hamstrings, and shoulders. We'll get started in a wide-kneed child's pose, so bringing the big toes to touch, knees as wide apart as you would like, and walking the upper body forwards. You can let the forehead rest down in the direction of the mat. Closing the eyes here for a few deep breaths, in and out, through the nose. Notice how the body feels. Thank yourself for turning up today. Thinking of the space and feeling that you'll be creating in just 10 minutes. Now start to walk the hands over towards the right and keep going all the way around as you straighten yourself back up, eventually the right fingertips resting behind the body and the left hand to the outside of the right knee. So we've come into a kneeling twist here. And then start to walk yourself back, retracing that semicircle all the way back into child's pose. Holding here for just one breath. And second side, walking the hands to the left. Even further straightening yourself up as you continue all the way into that twist, holding the outside of your left knee. And at the close of your next exhale, retrace your steps. Finding that child's pose, walking all the way back into it, holding here, and then straightening yourself up. Keep the knees where they are, bring the fingertips behind you, squeeze the glutes and lift the hips up. You can keep the chin to the chest or maybe take the gaze up towards the sky. Modification of camel pose to open through the front of the hip. Very nice. Sit yourself down. We'll swing the legs out in front of us, coming to a seated posture, and bringing the sole of the right foot to the inner left thigh. Left leg is long in front of you, flexing through the foot. Inhale the arms overhead, and exhale to reach forward. So we're not holding on to the leg or the foot. We're seeing how far we can reach here, all by ourselves, using the strength of the body. And then roll your way back up to a tall seat. Twist yourself over to the right, so the left hand once again comes to the right knee, looking over the back shoulder. And coming out of that twist and twisting to the other side, keeping the spine nice and straight. Beautiful. Recenter the upper body. Inhale the arms up overhead once more. Exhale to reach forwards, and this time taking hold of the foot, the ankle, the calf, and noticing if you found a little bit more space in that forward fold. Let the upper body be heavy, perhaps sinking a little bit closer to the leg with every deep exhale. And then gently releasing whatever you had hold of so that you can straighten yourself back up, extending the right leg, flexing the left sole of the left foot to the inner right thigh, and second side. Sitting up tall, inhaling the arms overhead, exhaling to reach without catching hold. Perhaps reaching that extra half an inch, finding space here in this strengthening variation. And then roll yourself back up to a tall seat. We'll twist towards the left, supporting yourself with the left fingertips behind you. Spine is nice and straight. Inhaling here. And exhaling to release, coming through center and twisting towards the right now. So the legs are still just the upper body that's twisting from the hips and from the waist. Coming back to center, inhale the arms up. Exhale to fold forwards, catching hold of whatever it is you can find. You might notice if this second side feels very different from the first. You can, of course, keep a soft bend in the extended leg. Breathe and release. And then letting go to roll your way back up, extending both legs out in front of you. Both hands behind, fingertips facing away from you. Squeeze the glutes and lift your hips up once more. See if you can bring the soles of the feet flat to the mat, holding here for one more inhale. And exhale to sit back down. Wonderful. Let's inhale the arms up and exhale to fold forwards with both legs straight, reaching long, not holding on. Sit back up tall, twist to the right, a little bit of a theme today. Come back through center, twist to the left. And back to center, inhale the arms come up. Exhale, reaching forwards as far as you can and eventually catching hold of whatever might be right there in front of you. And letting the fold deepen on every out breath. One more breath. Straightening yourself up bit by bit. And swinging the legs around so we can come to all fours. We'll take just a few cat and cows here. Shoulders above wrists, inhaling to arch the spine, exhaling to round. And just one more, inhale, and exhale to round and press the mat away. And then keeping the hips over the knees, start to walk the upper body forwards towards a puppy pose. But don't bring the forehead to the mat. Find a strengthening posture here. So lifting up onto fingertips, still pressing the mat away, straightening the arms, forehead is floating. Think about sinking the chest down between the shoulders. And eventually you can bend the left forearm, resting the forehead on top of it. Walk the upper body over towards the right, reaching the right arm long. And keeping the head resting on the left forearm, bring the back of the right hand to your lower back now. And take a few backward circles with that right shoulder. This will probably feel a little bit funny. And then gently release. Walk yourself back into a traditional puppy pose in the center. Notice if the right and left shoulders feel any different from one another. We'll see if we can't balance things out. So resting the forehead to your right forearm, walk yourself a little bit over towards the left, stretching that left arm long, maybe even coming up onto fingertips. Once you're ready, resting the back of that left hand to the lower spine and tracing a couple backward circles with the left shoulder. You might notice if this feels a little bit jerky or unnatural, making space here. And then bring yourself back to a centered puppy pose. Arms are reaching long. You could even bend at the elbows, bring the palms of the hands together, thumbs in the direction of the back of your neck, if you'd like a little bit of a deeper option here. Final deep breath in. Final deep breath out. And then sit yourself back towards your heels. Press your way up to a tall spine. Shake it off a little bit. Notice how you feel. And let's inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale them to heart center. Beautifully done today. If you enjoyed this practice, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I also invite you to join me for 10 free days of morning yoga by clicking the link on screen or in the description box below. Have a beautiful day.